Okay, I have a 2012 Sonata, the non-hybrid version, and was coming in the garage and broke this corner here, and all of this lens came off. So in order to replace this, you have to take the mirror and angle it downwards like that, and then take your hand behind it and pull it out, and it actually unclips from these clips here and here, comes out of this. All right, and then you take a T20, the star socket, and there's a screw that goes here. All right, there it is. All you need to do is unscrew this, and then let me put this down, and then all I did was push this out from the other side, and it pops out. It only has one screw holding it in place. Right, you unplug this connector, and then you put the new one back in, and just do everything in reverse. Put the screw back in, and then push the mirror back onto the fitting, and that's it. I will post the item number for this. I bought it through China, and I will post it in the description. Any questions, let me know. And here's the finished product.